So this is a video on how to use the meter to read voltage. So that's something you can look at in some circumstances. So what I want to do now is I want to show you how we're going to use this to do a basic measurement. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is I want to show you volts DC. So I've set my meter to volts DC. I've got my meter leads here, and I'm going to move. So I'm going to connect up my circuit, and I'm going to turn it on. So I've got a light bulb burning on this circuit right here. So if I want to see how much voltage is actually going to that light bulb, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my black meter lead. Now to set up the meter, I've got my meter lead or my selector switch over to volts DC because this is direct current voltage that I'm measuring. I've got my common in the black, and I've got my red meter lead hooked up to the volts, ohms, RPM, this setting over here. So back that up a little bit so you can see it. Now all I'm going to do to read the voltage on this is I'm going to touch on either side of that bulb, and that tells me how much voltage I'm reading. So that's a voltage, that's called a voltage drop test. And we'll be doing a lot of this over the course of this quarter. So that's a voltage drop test. Now if I want to read